Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can manage credit cooperative society in Jainam Software. So, there is in credit cooperative society, there is minimum 7 and maximum 21 members is needed. So, how we can manage? Just have a look. So, from the master setup, I will go to the company. So here I have created one company, that is Credit Cooperative Society. So we can fill up all the profile details from here and we can just click to the update, and also we can upload the logo of the company. So after that, if I go to the master setup branch hierarchy, so here under Uttar Pradesh I have created Kanpur and Lucknow branch. So under Kanpur I have created two groups, group A and group B, and under Lucknow group C and group D. So here we can create multiple district branches and groups. So after that, let's go to the HR management employee list. So here I have created one employee, and if I select here, so you can see I have created login ID and password also I have generated already. So the collection is automatically verified. We can give, so whatever collection that staff is going to do is getting automatically verified. So after that, admin also, we can give admin permission to the staff and login only on registered device. So once we can give this for a security purpose, so whatever he will going to log in, the device will get registered automatically. So I have created this, and if I go to the set branch, here you can see Kanpur branch I have assigned to this staff. Now let's go to the group management, create group. So here you can see I have created these 4 groups, and if I select this, from here I have assigned this employee to the group A. So group A belongs to the Kanpur, so I have assigned to this staff. Now if I go to the HR management, here in a access control list, so if I select here access control list, let's select the staff. So here you can see I have given some access to this staff. So whatever access is required we can give from here. For let's say search customer, just add, then search loan. Staff going to do what the access we need to add from here. So there are multiple access available in the system. You can see this, and whatever you doesn't required, we can just uncheck box. So the collection, the master setup company creation. After that, if I go to the branch hierarchy, we have seen how to create the branches. So for example, let's say under Uttar Pradesh, under Lucknow, I want to create the group E. So just I need to click here and I will create group E. So here you can see I have created under Lucknow group E, and just save. So this is branch hierarchy, and in the HR management employee list, we have created employee here. So employee will log in using this login ID. He will log in from his mobile and he can do the collection in the field. So the part 1 is completed in the credit cooperative. So Thank you friends. Have a great day.